Ndewonu. Hi and welcome back to my channel Learn Igbo with High Center. And in today's lesson we'll be talking about how to culturally greet elders in Igbo land. Okay, how you can greet elderly ones in Igbo land. So it's all about culture. So let's begin. Alright, in Igbo culture, elders are showed maximum respect. Alright, they are being showed maximum respect. And there are so many ways you can show this respect to them, of which one of them is, for instance, if you are seated down or you are sitting on a chair, okay, and an elderly person walked in, be it a woman or a man, alright, you have to stand up from your seat and greet the person. And after greeting the person, you wait for the person to sit down first before you sit down. Alright, if the person is to stay there. But if the person is just passing by, after standing up to greet the person, you wait for a while to the person to walk past. Okay, then you can now assume your seat back. It is called culture. And when you do this, people around you will be commending you for your behavior. They will say, yes, this is a real Igbo blood. Okay, so this respect you can show them in several ways or in many ways. So that was the first point. Now the second example is, if you are alone and then an elderly person walked in, or you want to handshake the person, the elder, you won't be the first person to bring out your hand first to give a handshake to an elderly person. You first of all wait for the person. If the elderly person wishes to give you a handshake, you first wait for the person to extend the handshake, all right, before you now reciprocate. And while doing that, you don't just stand and bring out one hand. No, you bring out the first hand, okay, assuming elder, this hand is coming like this and this one is coming like this. Okay, so as the elder is extending his or her hand like this to give you a handshake, you don't just bring out one hand to take a handshake from that elder. Okay, rather what you do is you bring out the hand and then you support it with this. You just bow slightly as you're extending the hand. So you use your both hands to extend handshake from an elderly person. Okay, and you don't bring out your hand first. They consider it as insult or as uncultured. Okay, you don't bring out your hand first. You allow them to bring out their hand first for the handshake before you will bring yours. Another way of showing this maximum respect, as I mentioned earlier, all right, you are going somewhere and you saw a group of people and you wish to go and greet them. All right, this group of people is mixed with both young, the elders, even maybe the little ones. Okay, and your friend happens to be among the group of people that are seated down there. So when you go to greet them, you don't just, hey friend, because you saw your friend, you just jump to your friend's side to greet your friend first. Hey guy, what's up? How are you now? You don't do that. Rather, you first of all greet the elderly ones among them first. Okay? Before you now go to that your friend that you feel that is special to greet. Are you getting it? A group of people, you greet the elders first. All right. Then another way of showing that, if you are to serve people, a kind of serving drinks or serving food, maybe there is a celebration going on and it's time for food. Item 7, to share food. You first of all observe the elders. You share food to them. You give them food first. The elders, which is the male among them, the papa them, you give them food. before you now go to mothers, the elder ones, okay, before you now go to the middle age among them, like that. Then you serve the children. Are you getting it? You serve the children before you now serve the youth. So the youth should be the last people for you to serve, because what? They are vibrant, okay? They are still very active, 100% active. Children, they can be hungry. Elderly ones, they are elders, which you need to show respect to them. Are you getting it? Again, you saw an elder carrying, say, loads on his head, or even carrying it on the hand, okay? And you happen to come across this elder. You help him or her to carry the load, okay? You say, Papa, ka m nyere gị aka. Or you can say, Mama, if it's a woman, ka m nyere gị aka. Alright? And at the end, they will shower you with their blessings. Nwa m, ị ga-ebi ogologo ndụ, which means you will live long. Onye ọzọ mekwara gị ya o, which means you should also get the same gesture from another. Are you getting it? So the blessings that comes with it is more than every other thing you can think of. And in other ways, you are showing that you are an Igbo person culturally. Okay? So in summary or in conclusion, how to show respect, how to greet others culturally in Igbo land. If you are sitting down, an elderly person walked in, you stand up to greet the person. If you happen to serve group of people food or cola or drink, anything, you first of all give the elders, serve the elders. If you are greeting an elder, you don't first of all extend a handshake. You first wait. If it pleases the elderly person to extend that handshake, he or she will bring out his hand first, then you go ahead to give the handshake. Are you getting it? Because if a younger ones bring out hand first for a handshake, it is considered as an insult. So you need to know this cultural behavior, alright? So that when you are interacting with the elders, you know how to behave. And people will be seeing you as a good Igbo person. Are you getting all this? Okay, so this will be bringing us to the very end of this video. And please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do well and do so. And like my video, comment and share for more Igbo lessons. Alright? Okay, see you in our next video. Bye.